Yes, see Kubala. I will pimu Sunyani ha. And Sang Komoi no one who is a tactical share for a video. They are to social media. Now, my name say if we are safe or not. And young collie and Roya, I mean, and paying for ina, I am for Nanano Mumubia. Kubala, or no, I'll say Obama man penina astronomer. Now, according Namo, and Crawford minus wa. I saw Okwone Namohona just say, here's a joy and what. Ya didn't call two Mukran almost said, the influence in a year, Alpha, a year, imitating no more or so. Or ya see be margin, and I'm coins, and I'm so crowded to claim deported because Obi Ayachi or 2 minutes say, oh, signs so how more prison or DNA say, a more baby free. That's a minute of free.
That is the question that comes to me, because I say, are there any origin of Fihana? And I say, Hano Fee say Hajo, because I was in the kingdom no better in San City. So, JBA or share, Yen the Mukakra, Yen share, Timamunibia or baby or Peso Quacot. And or Bana society news so MYA. Why do we bring him? Why I say Guantanamo Bay for now, a baby a cordial. But if you share one say, they are harmless, and they mere dome by. And Papa you see bait to me. I can say na ya busano, didn't know person best Sunyani spiritual realm no a beboy unam wana wapuse siana and I say opa willingly now because done condom now because we are caught na buchi no more their boss wa there so come na penny form nancy form na say wabemu na afi no oba.
The question is why Sunyani?
Okay, Sunyani is very peaceful.
Wow.
Because listen, ye ni be brenum na ye adwuma wo ye bebia ye nyuma so obi ho no wotenkran a obo Sunyani che na office wodo ho
ya office kwan wa
but manembra
no me test bi
no o me dem no traffic nanse na say
yeah
but Sunyani traffic
enya traffic o
that be there
e wo fon kra
nanse ya be sim die no mo tinam say hey
kakrai
o tia me say maybe I think that was
abrepo obetimi adim
2024 2023 2024 I said December mo baby that me Kazopi call SOMPA TV call I mean Christmas bash no na year call na me dem kai that day me feel sorry ma me ho say me de manual car na
we na
yeah manual car net traffic come and say chai chai me nine left na fe me yi free cross na airport me nine na airport chale me nine
na udru abrepo abetima di traffic in 2 hours
na mo di abesim die abesim die we kakre obetimi sim di 30 minutes we abesim kwan na oti am say wow
so on this all consider as animal we nyina now ba flexibility na wa here
yeah
obetimi adage wa home apart from that check unko fast street bi so mo bi nka say hey fa me phone mame ob di sigan wo bi attack
no so anya baby yeah
afi come to food stuff ye nuane come na nya okay for how obenya efia nya akon catering bi o 10 cedi ene ye hustle betime nya 10 cedi adidi ai
benya bi
ye betime nya mo ato 10 cedi 10 cedi betime ato kenke o rest
e betime 5 go benemo promo
so go benemo 10
betime di
oh wow
go be 5 cedi e mo 5
e would call chirim
o de go benemo go 5 we 5 on tem o de go benemo so on ni go fa so
no o de mo kakra
o de ni go fa so be
okay it is animal we nyana no regardless of all these things here is peaceful.
Wow.
Economic wise yenyesh and no doubt obiara can just say Sunyani yes in terms of
international man also Sunyani is in Sunyani Kubala
Sunyani
Kwame Ghana Scottish
and I'm so on tactical chef
it was fun in 2025
on tactical chef video
it was fun in 2025
Sunyani nra enra no be pm o dey search tactical chef o
dey Hebrew tribe
tactical page you don't say that o tactical chef ni na a video oh Sunyani yeah Sunyani so That's the problem.
Does it mean say obenya enkophobia e survey amano mo be ka say Sunyani Joe kona kotena obanzo opinwura mu
yeah
na
what who baby kro ana who still hi me say ye ida zongo one way ne so owura zongo one way ne so no abronsan na omo sini wo foforo no gate na no baby na police for ni gina owura mu a
mosaic former mosaic
yes I lane no
okay
ha no mu sa location we ya se wo
yeah Abofkay chance mu as on the Kwame Ghana security personnel are owning we yentimi reporting ma the various security services
yes so that we check
on the eye on like they will keep eye on him some they will keep eye on him.
Immigration could come in, police could come in, the army
keep eye on
we can keep an eye on. Give it to me a section. What is the main aim?
Because on such here say it's a self-proclaimed short-lived and a notorious Moroccan founded in a Scottish woodland in 2025 by a Ghanaian born king.
Great. And if any more modi attaching, any more modi describing, so it means it could be harmful to human
because we are deported there.
Yes.
About deported in April. We are in the same month.
Yes, I know about straight. It come and share no and penifon so about there penifon
oh wow I just say about there
we also ought to be careful
when
you pano and so say yakko Jan change
that be out to for says I didn't how you know yeah na atwe phone e video so omo approach crowd
you be the first victim maybe our proud
Fred I don't know so benya tactical mamia Fred no mama na me yesenka me bisa no so timine papa cause video me hu ye no yes na on a tactical and na ewomu so me MC the video net to see na this come on yeah so
was there improper dress Ghana
tactical TV
so tactical shit
run
about one yeah
abanu zo nani judge
say e ma de you know o tie commentary no mo run you no tactical se ono beje no tactical se ono obeje no e wo Sunyani ni mi se oye oje amanzan dia
tactical ene neti
ai
so ko
Yesu abusia boya ba ai kasa spaz
the whole Ghana the whole world when you ono eneye mama abusia se wa bracket e baba akopɛ onye alongside
Kubala bedru Sunyani boy Kubala siwabo eti abusia for us for bajira to balaji
we ajira to what we catch in my Ghana my
Kumala o say na say Allah ajibon Yesu
yes Sunyani Sun City baby o nyanso na Sunyani ye na Sunyani ambassador say na do to ya do to
oja man say
ya do to na boa
pa cho da for papa bi nana mi bu mi mu aseba wo nana pa cho bajira ma ya nana odarma obaji atum
yes
ai Kubala so bedru Sunyani Rashifu Sunyani me boss yeah nyamisha Kubala will you be safe here?
I have come to establish my kingdom.
Will you be safe?
In Sunyani.
Are you sure?
I must come.
Kubala. Ene Kubala. Oda fue wadarma o. Obi se Kubala o.
Oba establish you.
Na ba jojo.
That's all you so therefore. Oh, you so therefore.
Obe jojo.
So therefore.
Hey, oja man say. Ba cho asefo ni me.
Kubala ni etwi ka so.
Wonne ko yo. Ye de embe o. Ye twemo Yesu Kristo di. Ye ko. Abusia boya ba ai. Kasa spaz.
eti abusia Kubala me hwe say ebenya tactical na nka wama ye nchirimu kakra no a ohu no ne yama nhye no because obi a abrofo no say ye ntimi kra na won tina wo sino mu see describe no kra nye obi e timi ne tina krom
and you afini mahu where the headline came from na me can say oh ho na all ka say no we say ha say no mo peke blogger ne pick say I've come to establish my sound speech no kind no. Nti ha no be making news no.
Yes.
That is why na me buza say wa ba no.
Yeah.
No say system that.
And you also be establishing a kingdom no.
Wow. But you know only very careful in some of his utterances. Latter part na or they clear no.
Can call bab or be damage control.
Latter part
so in front of Kubala they want me
papa
but
no can say
wow
we there enyom na be decide nananom hwe no mo hwehwe no nyehwe nnem o de ba system no cause the spiritual realm
betimi anya yi kese wo so say if also there anfa
e bia no monitor nema so let's be very careful but let's not panic. He's still a human being, one of our own. What you gonna need here? Per the name Kubala. What you gonna need? Sentina mana bano. And here, if you have no also be environment, no. Na ya share.
Our penny kingdom.
Yeah. Kingdom on trefi. If you party on open room. Na or chin Accra. Amano ho. Say no kotwin ya bro from ko hu ya. Omo ye ne sa de no but tactical
minim die ba se omo otwe omo no so ware omo ma no
oh okay
otwe ma na no ware o
ene abaya ojino so omo say ba hema efiefo ni be no mfa ne sha se
de awusia de ho no e bia wo so wate Kubala sa wo ase Kofi TV de adoma ye ni interview okwa abrochi okohia no koye interviews ni ade a ne de na akwa se sa nkrofo mienu ya no mo so de ya kri na omo de owo Ghana hada day ba ko it got a point ma ye chi omo gum kakra ire fi one ne yere no omo de apotro ye aduane
ya omo de physics na say omo pictures by omo transform me papa omo transform me papa yeah so it means mentally they were challenged.
Yes.
Could we also consider that?
Yeah.
You bet me I hear hands.
You
bet me I hear hands.
Because we what me akwa abrochire na omo kasa oye ono a musician we
I don't know much about him.
Wow.
No, I don't know much about him. Yeah, researching and find more.
No more say what Ginny D or Ghana happen.
Okay.
Yeah, wo the brebia, kodru ho no. And as I name nyina mbom. Say fifo na ye so dey ase kodru no o ma ten agenda. Me reason ma kodru ho no.
Our king.
Hey. Seriously. Okay, so phone lines ni activate na for emra mu na. Yemfa yenkomo no. Na